Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And guess what, guys? Today I checked the mail and I found this. Now, of course, this is just a envelope package. I have removed the shipping information to keep the person who has sent this product private. But of course, I have no idea what this was. The only thing I knew is that the guys over at Chotech, they're the ones that created this great wireless charging pad over here. And of course, I did a review on this. You can check this out separately. And it is a great stand as well as a solid wireless charger. It doesn't overheat the phone and it works flawlessly. But of course, guys, they gave me a shout out and say, hey, look, guys at Blog Tech Tips, just send me your logo for your website. And of course, I'm going to send you an awesome gift, and that gift you can unbox on the channel. So that's what I'm doing right here. So I have no idea what's inside of this package. I'm just about to open it up just to find out. And of course, guys, I have already kind of opened or cut this side of the package. So it's the first I'm seeing this. So this is a legit reaction. So I've just removed it right now. And right away, I can say, wow. And of course, this is a great Christmas package. And I like the presentation. As you can see, the Blog Tech Tip logo right here. You can see it just down here, just out of sight. And of course, I want to thank the guys over at Chotech for sending this over. And I love the Blog Tech Tips logo right here that you can see with this Christmas decal right here, showing a helps boot. And of course, it's made in the form of a house. And of course, I'm wondering what are the details they have used with the overall presentation. So let me just look at this for a while. And of course, we're going to go right through the front of the package and just appreciate the overall presentation. So alright, guys, right away you can see Chotech, and it says power to the best, and it shows their model here, and it says it's the T556-S, and of course it says it's a ultra slim zinc alloy fast wireless charger. So guess what? This is actually a fast wireless charger. I'm quite excited to see what's on the inside. But let's read the specifications. It says it's 5mm ultra slim. Its wireless charging range is, of course, it's 6 mm. And of course, it has a large coil and fast heat dissipation. And of course, it shows 10 watts right here. And of course, on the front here, you're seeing the nice presentation of something on the inside of the box right here, along with the Blog Tech Tips logo. All right, right over here, guys, you can see again, it says 100% original product. On the back of the product right here, I like the design. It shows you something of a preview. It says Chotech power to the best, and it says specifications, give you the model, USB input, output, and of course it says fast wireless charging with 10W max or 10 watt max output, or 1.4 times faster than normal charging. It says toughened glass panel and customized 3D pattern, gives it a fashionable appearance or a fashion appearance. Built-in large coil. It says zinc alloy and premium glass panel. It says case-friendly design, allows you to simply place and charge without removing the case. And it comes with built-in 1 meter USB card and organizing strap for convenient use. And of course, it says 18 months warranty and a bunch of other information. You can see their website. Do check them out, guys, at www.chotech.com. And of course, guys, I'm just going to go ahead right now and open this up. So let's just look around the box for the best place to open, and I think it's at the top here. So I'm just going to open up. All right, now that I've removed the tab, I'm just going to open up right now. So let's go ahead, guys. So I'm just going to remove the product. So let me just readjust the camera right here. And wow. And of course, guys, you can see right here we have the Chotech user manual. And as usual, I always like the stuff that comes with this. They have included a very nice Chotech, what looks like to be a bookmark of some sort. It says become a, and it gives you some details, 18 months warranty, it gives you their support, and of course it gives you the product and gives you a run through. So of course that's always nice. Everything in a convenient pamphlet. I'm gonna put the pamphlet aside, and here's the star of this show, guys. So let me just give you another angle on showing you what's here. And of course it shows the nice cover with the customized cover, what I think is a customized cover. I'll be confirming this in a minute. So as you can see here, we have the Chotech manual and all that. So let's go straight into what's this included here. So right away, guys, yes, as you can see, it's a very nice, it feels what feels like a it doesn't feel like a wireless charger, guys. It actually feels like a polished piece of glass and plastic. And what I love about it, guys, is just this premium feel to it. As we said, the alloy at the back gives it a nice touch. It is this chrome, see Trotec. This is fast wireless charging pad. And the guys at Trotec were nice enough to include this nice customization or finish with, as you can see down here, guys, the BlogTech Tips logo. And of course, I'll cherish this forever as long as the product lasts. I actually love this. And of course, I just love the glossy finish at the top here. So what we're going to do next, guys, is we're just going to power this up. But just before we go, let me just show you the product. You can actually see the nice finish. And it's just a wireless charging pad. So in a second or two, I'm going to have this hooked up. And I'm going to test out my smartphone on this charging pad. So of course, I have the USB section of this charger hooked up to the power outlet. And of course, I have the charging pad right here. And of course, guys, I have my other device, which is this Samsung Galaxy S6. And of course, I can just go ahead and quickly do a quick charge test. And of course, if I place this down on the pad, you can hear the charging symbol. So this is working quite fine. And you can see right here, it says wirelessly charging, and it says approximately it's at 82%, and it will take about 41 minutes or so until it's fully charged or fully charged up, as you can see on the display. So right away, guys, it's working quite fine. I like the customization that was made, as I said, on the main charging pad. And of course, I'll do next to see if my other device, which is my Galaxy S8, if it supports fast wireless charging, which would be great. Guys, so I've switched cameras a bit just to show the Samsung Galaxy S8, which is a newer device. And of course, I'm just going to put this on the charge pad right now. And there we go. We got the charging symbol. And of course, I'm going to test to see what type of charging we're actually getting. And of course, yes, it does say fast wireless charging. And it's saying right now that it will take 1 hour and 28 minutes until fully charged. And currently I'm at about 51% battery, as can see in here. So everything just works. The entire device works. So all I had to do was to connect my charger, and it's now charging fully. Okay, guys, let me just finish off by saying that I basically love this product, as was said before. And of course, it comes with all the standard stuff. So you do get your quick start guide or user manual, and of course your usual book tab with very important information. And of course, yours might not come customized. I guess I'm just lucky like that. Just kidding. And of course, the guys at Trotec are so nice. They sent me a customized version. So I like the customization with the BlogTech Tips logo, and of course this nice Christmas touch to the entire setup. So of course, as I said, guys, I like the chrome finish, and of course this is just an alloy. And of course the glass on the front that gives it a solid touch. And I'll keep this as a keepsake because of course the BlogTech Tip logo, or the BlogTech Tips logo, is etched on the front. And of course, guys, I love the flat cable that's included, and this USB end that shows a silver finish here. It's a little bit different from the normal, so once stuff stands out, I tend to like them a lot. And of course, again, I must say thanks to Trotec for all their support. And of course, this is just my second review of their products, and they're very nice as a company. Imagine if they did all of this just for me, what else they'll do for you as the customer. So do go ahead and check them out on Amazon. Also check out the review on the website. I'll have the full review where I go into details as to the exact where I go through the entire product and give you more specifics as to how it functions. But of course, this is just a video unboxing, and of course it's just me running through all the features that I like about this. And of course, seeing it's a fast wireless charger, you know, all the newer devices are supported, so you could have some fun with this using the latest wireless technology. You can get rid of all those extra cables that you have to lug around. Once your device supports wireless charging, you just simply put it on any of these pads, and due to the wireless charging standard, they'll charge fast if your device supports fast charging and revert back to standard charging if not. So I want to thank the guys again over at Trotech for all their kind work and so on. So guys, if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. This is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. So the quick tech tips saying bye until next time. Bye.